And still they keep coming. Suspicious packages sent to well-known figures associated with Democratic politics in the United States. This is the Tribeca offices of vocal Trump critic, Hollywood actor Robert De Niro in New York City. A suspicious parcel discovered here early in the morning and removed by the bomb squad for further examination.
The people in New York City are as tough as it gets. This city's been through terror attacks before. The people of the city understand the whole game plan of terrorists is to intimidate us. New Yorkers refuse to be intimidated.
2 more suspicious packages were intercepted at post offices in the state of Delaware, addressed to the former Vice President Joe Biden. They were discovered a day after the studios of CNN in New York were evacuated, its presenters forced to anchor from the streets when a device police described as live was found in the mailroom before being removed. 2 former U.S. presidents were targeted too. A suspicious package stopped before it got to the Washington, D.C. home of Barack Obama, and one intercepted near the home of Bill and Hillary Clinton in New York. In this era of heavily partisan politics, many wonder if President Trump's anti-media rhetoric has prompted this wave of attacks. All those targeted have clashed with the president during his campaign for the White House and since he's been in office. On Wednesday, Trump called for unity in the wake of the bomb threats, but by Thursday he was tweeting, "A very big part of the anger we see today in our society is caused by the purposely false and inaccurate reporting of the mainstream media that I refer to as fake news. It's gotten so bad and hateful, it's beyond description. Mainstream media must clean up its act." A nationwide hunt is on for whoever may have sent the deadly packages. The other pipe bombs are being analyzed by the authorities for fingerprints and DNA to identify the bomber and to preempt further attacks. Terrett, CGTN, New York.